Good afternoon. I'd like to check in for my flight to Warsaw.
Good afternoon. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one large suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Is there a weight limit?
Yes, the limit is 20 kilograms. Your bag weighs 16 kilograms, you're all set.
Great, thank you.
Do you have any carry-on baggage?
Yes, a small backpack.
You can take that on board. Just make sure it doesn't exceed 55 by 40 by 20 centimeters, and that it doesn't contain any liquids over 100 milliliters.
Got it.
Please proceed to security. You'll find boarding gate information on the screens.
Thank you very much for your help.
Have a pleasant flight.
Good afternoon. Please remove your belt and watch, and place your laptop and any liquids separately in the trays.
Sure.
There's a 0.5-liter water bottle in your backpack. You can drink it here or throw it away.
I'll throw it away.
Please walk through the metal detector now. All clear. You can collect your belongings.
Thank you. Hi there. Could I get a 0.5-liter bottle of water, please?
Of course. That'll be €2.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, certainly.
Here you go.
Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Everything's in order. You may go through.
Thank you.